Hello, my name's Stu. I work for Robert White. We're a photographic dealer, and today I would like to show you some of the top plate fittings for Arca Swiss ball and conventional tripod heads. Arca Swiss are very well known for their ball heads, but they're also well known for their different types of fitting on the top. So I'd just like to go through what the fittings do and why we use them. So starting on my right, this is called the standard Arca quick set device. It is merely a clamp to take their own quick release plate. It will also take their camera rail fittings. The way that it works is that we take the quick set device, we insert our camera quick release system. It's absolutely loose until the point that we do the clamp up. Many photographers like and prefer this method because they know that the camera will be completely loose until the moment that everything is tightened into place. Quick set devices of the latest generation are able to take two sizes of fitting. So conventional quick release plates, there's also their smaller slide fix mount, which goes into a smaller slot just underneath, and on an Arca 6954 or 10.8 camera they have a rail fitting. It will also take the rail fitting, so you don't need a tripod base for the camera. Next type of top has exactly the same quick set device, let's move that one just over there, but in addition to having a pan at the base of the tripod head, it has a pan at the top just or immediately beneath the quick release mechanism. These are called DP or double pan, and the concept is that once you have your camera on this tripod, you level your camera so it's absolutely spot on level by probably a spirit level on the top of your camera. Everything is locked off. Then by using the top pan facility, when you rotate, the whole camera remains level all the way through its arc. So double pan are very useful for that. Also, when we rotate the camera from landscape position to portrait position, it's easy to both rotate at the base, on the base pan, and also to go up and down using the top pan facility. Moving on to the next one. The next quick release system is called Quick Set Flip Lock. Instead of using the clamp, as we did before, we have a lever mount. The lever mount has a little silver release knob, which we must pull back. We mustn't force it, we must pull it back, and it goes back until it stops. This is the first stage, and it will allow us to take a quick release plate and slide the quick release plate into position. Often, especially with third-party quick release plates, there isn't quite enough space, so we have to place our thumbnail against this nulled area, pull back, and it goes back to an extra open position, which we can now place our plate in very, very easily indeed. One lock, semi-clamps it, so it's not completely tight. Second lock, and it locks it down absolutely completely. So again, reopen it, one step, and then the second all the way. We can adjust where these jaws actually sit by rotating a little thumb screw. So if we're using another manufacturer's plates, we can fine-tune the base amount of tension by using this little thumb screw, being careful not to do it the wrong way, because if you do it too much you could potentially undo the grub screw and let the side sort of fall out. To relock that, we move to the next, which is not a quick release. It is a standard, in this case it's a 1/4 inch screw thread to fit to the base of most 35mm cameras or medium format cameras. Sometimes if we're using large format or medium format, we might also have a 3/8 inch screw thread. So very basic, screw the camera onto the top and locked into position. It's also quite popular if someone wants to use a third party quick release top, such as the Hasselblad one or the Q-top. Many times people would prefer an alternative quick release mechanism to the one that Arca supply. And with the last one, move those actually over there. This is the latest, it's called a slide fix. It takes the smaller size plates, or the smaller type large format camera rails. The way this works is that we have a little sprung lever, just lock that there. This is an Arca P0, which is a planetary geared inverted ball head. That basically lays into place. We pull the lever back and let go. This will allow us to still slide the plates to position it precisely. It's not fully locked until we push down and it snaps into place. Again, release and comes out. This particular head is also furnished with a little spirit level in the top, which makes it easy by using the single control on this head to level the head into place, lock it down, and the P0 has the top pan facility, the same as we'd have with one of the double pan systems. Final very quick overview, we have the P1, which like the P0 uses planetary gear, but we can basically not go quite as far over, so we go to about 45 degrees instead of with the P0, where we can go from standard upright all the way through to 90 degrees. So that's just a brief overview of the Arca heads, and more importantly of their quick release mechanisms. Thank you very much for listening. If you need more information, please, it's robertwhite.co.uk. Thank you.